explain about production analysis in Melani cookies. First is introduction. In this chapter, divided into 5 sections: background, formula of problem, limitation of problem, objective, and benefit. First is background. Linear programming is one of the operational research techniques which most widely used and well known. Linear programming, also known as mathematical method of allocating scarce resources to achieve a goal such as maximize profit and minimize cost. In this case, Melani Cookies is one of the producer cookies in the city of Bandung, located on Jalan Arca Manik, Bandung. Melani Cookies producing 3 kinds of cookies, namely cheese sagu, cheese kastengel, cheese stick. The products are sold in various souvenir stores in the city of Bandung, as Setiabudi Mini Market, Mayasari Kebon Kawu, Primarasa Buah Batu, and Primarasa Popo. Second is formula of problem. First, how to determine mathematical model and sensitivity analysis using KM software. Second, how to calculate the optimal production with the available ingredients in Melani cookies. And the last is how to calculate maximum profit for every production in Melani cookies. Third is limitation of problem. We just analyze the problem in the producer, and then this research is done in Melani cookies. And the last, only use non-direct production costs that include into constraint. Fourth is objective. We can get mathematical model and the problem analysis by using KM software. Second, we can get optimal production result in Melani cookies. And the last is we can get maximum profit result in Melani cookies. The last section is benefit. We can able to formulate real-world problem into mathematical model of linear programming, and then Melani cookies can know maximum profit with their production. The second chapter is case study. The test problem is Melani cookies produce 3 kinds of cookies: cheese stick, cheese sagu, and kastengel. In every production, Melani meets basic ingredients such as flour, fat oil, sugar, cheese, butter, sagu, and egg. Every product needs different portion of ingredients. For cheese stick, needs 1 kg of flour, 300 g butter, 3 eggs, 2 liters fried oil, and 200 g cheese. For cheese sagu, need 600 g butter, 4 eggs, 350 g cheese, 400 g sugar, and 620 g sagu. Meanwhile, kastengel need 700 g flour, 600 g butter, 3 eggs, 200 g cheese. For every production, Melani cookies have available ingredients: 25 kg of flour, 144 eggs, 15 kg butter, 12 liters fried oil, 3.5 kg cheese, 2 kg flour, and 2 kg of sagu. Price for cheese stick, cheese sagu, and kastengel is 55,000 rupiah, 65,000 rupiah, and 65,000 rupiah. In every production, Melani cookies get 7 box of cheese stick, 5 box of cheese sagu, and 5 box of kastengel. Demand for cheese stick is more than cheese sagu and kastengel.
Okay, now we are going to solve our case problem. We have to analyze by using table to make easier for us. The column of the table consists of ingredients for every product such as flour, cooking oil, egg, cheese, sugar, butter, and sagu. And the blue column shows the ingredients for the product. Value of 1 pack is depends on producing or production. And the red column is the ingredients for 1 pack. We have changed the value because every production producing 7 cheese stick, 5 cheese sagu, and 5 kastengel cheese. So every 1 pack can know with one production divided into sum of production every production. And the last column is the inventory for each ingredient. And the second is we determine decision variable divided into three. X1 equal amount of cheese stick, X2 amount of cheese sagu, and X3 is equal amount of Castengel cheese. And we analyze about objective function. In this, we analyze the maximum profit in every production. So we have to using the objective function is maximum Z value. This is mathematical model we use to the data from one pack production, and for this case problem, and don't forget to put the non-negative value into the constraint. And we have to change the mathematical model into standard form for requirement using simplex method. Okay, now we are going to analyze this case problem. The case problem using KM software to solve this problem. First step is analyze the linear programming. We have to put the data into KM software table. After, fill the table so we can get the iteration for the solution. This is first iteration. This is second iteration. The leaving variable is x11 and the entering variable is x1. This is the third iteration. This is fourth iteration. For the leaving variable is x10 and the entering variable is x2. This is the last iteration. The leaving variable is x5 and the entering variable is x3. For the ranking, we can know the slack or surplus and upper and lower bound for this problem. And the last is the result. Is amount of cheese stick 42.85 and cheese sago is 15.38 and Castengel cheese is 27.47, and the maximum profit is 5,142,000. Because the solution from linear programming is not integer, so we have to use integer programming for this case. First is we have to put the data into KM software table. By using integer programming, we get the result directly. And this is the result is 42 box for cheese stick, 15 box for cheese sago, and 27 box for Castengel cheese. And the maximum profit is 5,040,000 rupiah. So the result is directly known from this integer programming. This is the detail of integer programming result. There's a lot of constraints and the result from integer programming.
For the next step is sensitivity analysis. From the linear programming result we get this table. In this case, we choose constraint for cheese. Choose value 0 on slack or surplus. We choose constraint cheese because that's constraint covering our product. We have to change the available cheese from 0 until the set value is constant. We get the optimum constraint for cheese is 0.03 x1 plus 0.07 x2 plus 0.04 x3 less than 3.5. with Z value is 5,040,000 rupiah. And even you add more cheese in inventory, the Z value is same, so added cheese not influence to Z value. This is the conclusion. For suggestion, the company should redesign their production system because from the result of integer programming and sensitivity analysis, we get the optimal production and maximum revenue. For conclusion, based on the calculation with integer programming, we can decide the optimal production for Melanie cookies are 42 cheese stick, 15 cheese sago, 27 castangel cheese. In addition, we can decide the optimum revenue for Melanie cookies is 5,040,000 rupiah, and to find the limitation for material production using sensitivity analysis. So, from the result, the company can decide the sum of total production with maximum revenue.
Let's kick it to the world. Fuma like
That's all our presentation. Thank you. Bye bye.